Goat farming is becoming one of the most practical and profitable agricultural businesses in many parts of the world today. In many rural communities and even in some urban areas, goats are helping families create income, improve nutrition, and build financial stability. Unlike some livestock businesses that require very large investments, goat farming can start small and grow gradually over time. Many successful farmers actually began with only 2 or 3 goats, and through patience, proper management, and good breeding practices, those few animals eventually multiplied into large and profitable herds. One of the reasons goats are so popular among farmers is their adaptability. Goats can survive in different climates and environments. They can live in dry regions, mountainous areas, and even in places where pasture is limited. Unlike some livestock that depend heavily on fresh grass, goats can feed on shrubs, tree leaves, weeds, and a wide variety of plants. This natural browsing ability allows farmers to raise goats in places where other livestock may struggle. Another advantage of goats is that they are relatively hardy animals. When they receive basic care, such as proper housing, clean water, and simple health management, they can adapt well to many conditions. They are also smaller than cattle, which makes them easier to manage, transport, and handle. For beginners who want to start a livestock business but are worried about the complexity of large animal farming, goats offer a simpler and more manageable option. But perhaps the most important reason goat farming continues to grow in popularity is the many ways it can generate income. Some livestock enterprises rely on only one main product. However, goats provide multiple opportunities for farmers to earn money. A farmer can raise goats for meat, produce milk, breed and sell high-quality breeding animals, sell manure as organic fertilizer, and also sell young goats to other farmers. Because of these different income streams, goat farming has the potential to provide both short-term and long-term financial benefits. Even a small herd can slowly grow into a strong business if managed well. In this video, we will be walking you through 5 major ways to make money by raising goats. We will not rush, we shall go slowly but steadily. Let's begin with the first and most common way farmers make money from goats is by selling them for meat. Goat meat, known as chevon, is widely consumed in many cultures around the world. In many communities, goat meat is considered a special and valuable type of meat that is often served during important occasions such as weddings, festivals, family celebrations, and religious events. Because of this cultural importance, the demand for goat meat remains strong in many markets. In fact, in some regions, goat meat is even more expensive than other types of meat because it is considered both nutritious and flavorful. Another reason many consumers prefer goat meat is because it is lean. Compared to some other red meats, goat meat contains less fat while still providing high levels of protein and important nutrients. As people become more conscious about healthy eating, the popularity of goat meat continues to increase. For farmers, raising goats for meat is often one of the easiest ways to start generating income. The process usually begins with acquiring healthy goats, either by purchasing them or by breeding them on the farm. The farmer then focuses on raising the goats with proper feeding, access to clean water, and protection from diseases and parasites. As the goats grow, they gradually gain weight and develop strong body condition. This growth can be supported through grazing as well as supplementary feeding. Farmers often use locally available feeds such as crop residues, hay, legumes, and agricultural byproducts to improve the nutrition of their goats. When the goats reach a good market size, they can be sold to livestock traders, butchers, restaurants, or directly to consumers. In some communities, farmers bring goats to livestock markets where buyers compete to purchase healthy animals. Timing can also play a major role in profitability. Certain times of the year bring higher demand for goats, especially during religious holidays and traditional celebrations. Farmers who plan their breeding and feeding schedules carefully can have mature goats ready for sale during these high demand periods. When demand rises, the market price for goats often increases significantly. This allows farmers to earn higher profits from the animals they sell. The second strong way to make money from goats is by breeding and selling high-quality breeding stock. Many farmers who are starting goat farming or expanding their herds are always looking for goats that have good genetics and strong reproductive potential. Because of this demand, breeding goats can be very valuable. Farmers who invest time in selecting strong and productive parent animals can gradually build a herd with excellent characteristics. Good breeding goats should grow well, resist diseases, and reproduce consistently. They should also produce healthy offspring that grow quickly and survive well in local conditions. When farmers consistently produce strong goats, their farms gradually build a reputation. Other farmers begin to recognize that goats from that particular farm are reliable and productive. Once this reputation develops, the demand for breeding animals from that farm often increases. In many cases, breeding goats sell at much higher prices than goats sold only for meat. Another advantage of goat breeding is the high reproductive rate of goats. Most female goats can give birth once every year, and many of them produce twins. Occasionally, some goats even produce triplets. This means that a farmer who starts with a small number of goats can gradually increase the herd size very quickly. Some of the young goats can be kept to strengthen the herd, while others can be sold as breeding animals. A successful breeding program requires careful selection of breeding animals, proper feeding, and good health management. Farmers who keep records of births, growth rates, and reproduction can make better decisions about which animals should remain in the breeding program. Over time, breeding goats can become one of the most profitable aspects of a goat farming business. Another important way farmers make money from goats is through milk production. Some goats are known for producing large quantities of milk that can be consumed fresh or processed into dairy products. One well-known dairy breed is the Saanen goat, which is famous for its ability to produce large amounts of milk. Dairy goats like this can produce milk daily for several months after giving birth. Goat milk is highly nutritious and contains important vitamins, minerals, and proteins. Many people also find goat milk easier to digest compared to other types of milk. Because of these qualities, goat milk is becoming increasingly popular in many communities. Some families prefer goat milk for children or elderly people because it is gentle on the stomach. Farmers who keep dairy goats can sell fresh milk to neighbors, markets, or small shops. In some areas, farmers even deliver milk directly to households every day. Another way farmers increase profits from milk is by processing it into value-added products. These include cheese, yogurt, butter, and even cosmetic products like goat milk soap. Value-added products usually sell at higher prices than raw milk. This means farmers can increase their income without increasing the number of goats they keep. However, dairy goat farming requires consistent care. Goats must be fed well in order to maintain good milk production. They must also be milked regularly and kept in clean conditions to ensure milk quality. Farmers who maintain good feeding programs and proper hygiene often succeed in building a reliable dairy business using goats. Another often overlooked but valuable source of income from goat farming is goat manure. Goat manure is an excellent organic fertilizer that helps improve soil fertility and crop production. Many crop farmers and gardeners prefer organic manure because it improves soil structure and helps plants grow naturally without relying heavily on chemical fertilizers. Goat manure contains nutrients that support plant growth. It can be applied directly to fields or composted before use. Composting helps improve the quality of the manure and makes it easier to handle. Some goat farmers collect manure from the goat house, dry it, and pack it into bags for sale. Vegetable farmers, fruit growers, and gardeners often buy manure to enrich their soil. Although manure may not generate as much income as meat or milk, it still provides an additional revenue stream. Instead of wasting it, farmers can turn manure into a useful product that supports both crop farming and environmental sustainability. The final strong way farmers make money from goats is by selling young goats. Young goats, commonly known as goat kid, are often in high demand among farmers who want to start or expand their herds. Because goats reproduce quickly, many young goats are born each year. Farmers do not always need to keep every kid that is born. Some of the young goats can be raised for a few months and then sold to other farmers, livestock traders, or individuals who are beginning goat farming. Selling goat kids provides farmers with regular income after each breeding season. It also helps maintain a manageable herd size so that the farm does not become overcrowded. Healthy, well-fed young goats are more attractive to buyers and can sell at higher prices. Farmers who provide good nutrition and basic health care often find that their young goats grow quickly and become valuable animals in the market. When we look at all these opportunities together, it becomes clear that goat farming offers many ways to generate income. Farmers are not limited to only one product. Instead, they can combine meat production, breeding programs, milk production, manure sales, and the sale of young goats. This combination of income streams is one of the biggest strengths of goat farming. Even if one market becomes slow, the farmer can still earn income from other products. With proper management, planning, and continuous learning, a small goat farm can gradually grow into a strong and profitable agricultural business. In the end, goats are not just animals grazing in a field. When managed properly, they become valuable assets that can support families, create opportunities, and help farmers build a sustainable future in agriculture. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and comment, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our goat-related videos. Click the video on the screen now to learn more about goats. Thanks.